It's game time! Oh! Isang mala rin sa bandong biyahe. Good. Pakaplot nun. And a good for 2 points. For jersey number 16, Ibina trying to spin in a jumper for 2 points. Mukhang magandang mga kaldag sabay lapag. Yung ball is stolen for team na mataga Fighting Maroons. From Maasin National High School, number 17, attack. Bang! 2-pointers. Inside combination, huli for team na mga tropa ng mga taga Maroon. Number 23, easy layup. 2-pointers. Very time for the opening period. Score pa natin all at 4 points. Ibinigay ang bola mula kay Lusong. Inside going for number 21. Ascending to the strong corner. Jumper for 2 points. Hindi ba basket yun? Put it back by Ibina for 2. Bingo! Ibina! Score clock 2 minutes and 58. Hanap ng pwesto. Attacking numero 1. Shot clock down to 3. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Galing naman nun! Ang napakasenti. Lamang ng 2 puntos sa kasalukuyan itong team ng Sarasa Hoopers laban sa team ng mga taga Maroons. Good for 2 points. We are now tie. Ibigay sa bandang kaliwa. Shot clock down to 14. Ang may tangan ng bola mula sa 3. Babanat ng katluhan. Bang! 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 3 points! Sa Parang Barrio Tuba. Arrival. Dumarating na po yung team ng Rolly Transport Ansa. Dahil sila po yung magiging next game na bukas yung tirada. 8 saglit yung natitira. Quick combi. Jumper. Put it back. Number 5. 2 points. Dalawang monekta for team na mga taga Maasin National High School. Number 11 dyan. Good for 2 points. By wearing jersey number 13. Atake mula sa bandang kaliwa. Hindi bumasket. Bayani to the rescue. Put it back. Bayani! 3 minutes and 17. Yes, sir. 2-pointers. Luka kick out the 3-pointer. Hindi puputok yung tatluhan. Put it back by number 17. Ginamit yung laki. Yung dalawa. Sa bandang wakali. Shot clock down to 17. Number 28. Jump! Bang! Get that 2 points at may kasama pang pound. 2-pointers. SK, maraming salamat sa ating kaibigang SK Ellen Mitagwan na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live ngayong gabi. Akla, 2-pointers. Itong batang Akla, yung sila na yung mga player. Lusong numero 19, gigil na gigil sa atake. Jumper for 2 points. Ang straight to the basket by Lusong. Basket wonder for team ng Sarasa Hoopers. Mayroon na lamang po tayo natitira hanggang 4 na minuto at 23. Batang bilang number 28. Ang isa sa grabe kung kumawis dito sa ating basketball action. Creator, yung mga driver for team ng mga taga Hoopers ng Sarasa. Pero speaking of acceleration, mas piniga pa yung Lusong, may tangan ng bola. Bibigay sa kanan, jumper for 2 points. Bang! 2-pointer! 2 puntos sa kabati ng Maasin. Lupot for 3. No good again by Lupot there for team ng mga taga jersey nitong Maroon. Easy pocket! Sabi nitong numero 7. Ngayon mga kaibigan, si Jolo Boy de Los Santos ng Bayan ng Coron. Boss Jolo Boy, magandang gabi and thank you for watching. Tama sa team ng Sarasa Hoopers. Nice move! San ka punta? To the moon! Road trip! Brum brum! Good for 2. Final period pa rin tayo mga kabarangay. Number 10 layup, push it up and push it in. 2-pointers. And the 2 points sa team ng Maasin National High School. Going for pocket, Bayani for 2. Basketball count. Kasasabi lang natin kuya. Time remaining 3 minutes and 38. Itong sagasa kung sagasa. Lusong. 2-pointers again. Straight toss. A follow-up jumper, 2-pointer.